Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com as well as your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Monday morning forecast update. Actually setting up to be a really nice day. You'll have to deal with a bit of a breeze, some cool temperatures this morning, but we get to about lunchtime today. The breeze will die down, and that will leave us with some mostly sunny conditions this afternoon. Of course, we did have a little frontal boundary that made its way through yesterday, so that's the reason we're running a few degrees cooler this morning. And had a lot of reports of severe weather late yesterday south of I-20. A lot of hail reports, especially across Louisiana, with some of the storms we had in the afternoon. Northern Arklatex didn't see any rain yesterday, so you enjoyed just kind of a sunny and comfortable weekend here. But that lingering front kind of swinging back to the north here may trigger a few rain showers after sunset tonight, but it looks like the daytime shaping up to be dry for us today. Wind's kicking in just a bit. The wind is out of the northeast, so it's pushing the humidity back out of here, and that will set us up with that comfortable day up to about 76 in Texarkana, Shreveport in the upper 70s, and may see some 80s here south of I-20, especially where we saw those storms yesterday. So look at your Robinson Futurecast. Some clouds lingering this morning, but that dry north breeze will eventually push a lot of sunshine in today. And you can see the clouds returning tonight. Little piece of energy with that lingering frontal boundary here, and that will trigger just a few of these rain showers after sunset right along I-30, and expect those showers will kind of push south overnight. So we could see just some light rain and maybe an isolated storm or two overnight, but there is no severe weather threat tonight in the Arklatex, and we will dry out again tomorrow, and we'll spend much of the week with some dry conditions as well. Friday, once again, this is one of those things where we are just in this pattern here where every Thursday or Friday we see some kind of severe weather outbreak close to the region. As of right now, confidence is fairly high that there will be a severe weather outbreak on Friday just north of the Arklatex, but some of those storms really could be impactful for us as well, especially Friday afternoon into Friday evening. And I will say this timing of this system not quite set in stone yet, so we may see the storms earlier in the afternoon as the forecast goes along this week, or we may push some of that rain maybe into Friday night as well. But something to consider throughout the week here is that we will have that potential for some severe weather once again on Friday here in the Arklatex. So we'll get the threats, the timing, and everything kind of dialed in the upcoming days. But you can see this next area of low pressure swinging through, which will drive a cold front in, and we are showing those storms out there late Friday and kind of clearing out here Friday night into Saturday. So we should have some great weather for the upcoming weekend, but once again watching that Friday time period for the potential for some severe weather in the Arklatex. Pretty nice weather taking over midweek. We'll cool down a few degrees. It will stay breezy tomorrow and a little more sun popping out Wednesday, but the clouds build Thursday ahead of Friday's storms, and likely we'll see the rain taper off early Saturday, but we may see a few showers just kind of left over on Saturday morning, and then temperatures will stay on the warm side just like this last weekend. Should have highs in the 70s and low 80s for the upcoming weekend as well.